Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Capricorn Earth sign. This is mid-month reading June. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Capricorn, your recent past. So let's see your recent past Capricorn. Queen of Cups, 8 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. There is separation in past. 8 of Cups, one person walking away from the relationship, but you have emotions for each other. Queen of Cups and 10 of Pentacles, and that person want to offer also commitment. You both want commitment in this connection, but out of the sudden there is something happened, separation. Definitely there is separation. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. But you have emotions for each other. 3 of Swords. See what came out. The Tower and 10 of Cups. This could be third party situation. One person is already married in this connection. For some definitely there is separation because 3 of Swords and the Tower and 8 of Cups. But one person want union with this connection. One person is walked away, but one person want this connection. For some it is third party. Your person already married and have kids also. For some, very few. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Queen of Swords. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or could be water sign, or could be earth sign. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. 3 of Wands. 5 of Pentacles. I think your person want to communicate to you, Queen of Swords, but I think one person is not answering the calls, messages, because it is cutting the communication. But communication is coming in your way. It's up to you. And 3 of Wands. This could be long distance relationship and waiting is going in this connection because separation is there. 5 of Pentacles again, separation. One person leave the other person in cold. Major Arcana, Tower, 5 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords. So let's pull some cards from universe. What's the message? 6 of Swords. Communication. 2 of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Queen of Wands. No, the cards are 2 of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. Definitely there is love between both of you, and in past also you both share equal love share equal love to each other. And a Queen of Wands, lot of passion is there between both of you. 6 of Swords. I think the disputes between both of you going to be settled, but it will take so much time because one person in this connection is very, very stubborn, but one person in this connection want to offer this long-term commitment to you. They want to settle the disputes, and they have love for you. So Capricorn, definitely your person will approaching you, so it's up to you to accept this offer or not. So they want to offer long-term commitment to you. They have love for you. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.